The camera specifications of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra have just been leaked, and it will crush all the competition if done right. This information comes from none other than Ice Universe, who has stated on his X account and also on his Weibo account that this flagship device from Xiaomi will have a telephoto camera with optical zoom greater than 4x, incorporating a 200-megapixel sensor in that camera. That is, it would take a strategy very similar to the one Vivo took with the X Ultra model, incorporating a high-resolution sensor in the sound camera. This allows for different crops on the sensor while maintaining optical quality, and if they use one of the best 200-megapixel sensors that Samsung currently has, they could take advantage of extremely detailed images by applying digital zoom, which is one of the flagship features of this Samsung sensor. There will be a total of 4 cameras on this Xiaomi device, although we still don't know what the camera distribution will be. In this regard, I support Oppo's decision with the Find X Ultra more, incorporating an ultra-wide camera, a 1x camera, a 3x camera, and a 6x camera, which from my point of view, cover the full zoom range much better. In contrast, the leaked information about Xiaomi's proposal suggests a large gap between a 4x and, in my opinion, it's not very useful to place a 2.5x camera. But if there are going to be 4 cameras, I don't know what strategy Xiaomi will take. Obviously, there will be an ultra-wide camera and a main camera, but I don't know how they will distribute the 2 zoom cameras. If one of them will be more than 4, maybe 4.2x and then they could jump to a 6x or something similar, but we still don't know very well what this manufacturer's strategy will be. The truth of the matter is that they continue their alliance with Leica and are probably also working together with this brand on how to distribute their different lenses. For now, there are rumors that they will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and a 6200 mAh battery. Although these are just rumors, remember that a leak is not a presentation.